What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning backside 180s. Backside 180 is a really fun basic trick that you should learn shortly after you've mastered the ollie. Most people find backside 180s more difficult than they find frontside 180s. So if you're in the most crowd, you're probably going to want to learn frontside 180s before you get to the backside 180. A good ollie is an absolute must if you're going to learn how to back 180. If you can't ollie, go watch my how to ollie video, learn how to ollie, and then come back. Now let's talk foot placement for the backside 180. The foot placement for the backside 180 is virtually identical to the foot placement that you use for an ollie. And the same is true of weight distribution for the backside 180. It's pretty much exactly the same as the ollie. No secrets here. There are, however, two very minute differences. First, I put my front foot just like half an inch closer to the bolts on a back 180. And I put my back foot just a hair, and I mean a hair, closer to the heel side edge of my tail than I do for an ollie. As with most tricks where your body is rotating, most of the backside 180 is in the shoulders rather than the feet. You need to have your feet right, but the shoulders are the absolute key to this trick. Just like with the front side 180. If you don't move your shoulders and your head the right way, it doesn't matter how perfect your foot movement is, you're not going to be able to backside 180. Your head and shoulders must lead. You must turn your shoulders and your head in the direction that you're rotating before your board comes off the ground, before you pop your tail. So if you get nothing else from this video, it should at least be that the shoulders and the head are the key to rotating the backside 180. So, to do a backside 180, you will crouch down in the ollie position as usual. You'll go to do an ollie, and then in the second before you pop your tail, you'll begin turning your head and your shoulders and your gaze, that is where you are looking, backside in the direction that you want to rotate. Watch me here. Watch where my eyes are looking and how my shoulders are turning before my back foot even pops the tail. Averting where you're looking this way is more important on the backside 180 than it is on the front 180 because you are going blind. Notice that I do not look in the direction that I'm riding in the moment that I'm executing the trick. I'm looking down at my feet and towards the direction that I want to be turning. Where you're looking when you're doing this trick is actually quite important. Also, just like the front side 180, it's useful to think of this trick as being a trick that rotates around the front truck in the air as opposed to rotating around the back truck. Think of it as if you're ollieing into the air and then you're rotating around an invisible pole that goes vertically through your front foot. You want to rotate around the front foot, just like this motion. If you can master doing this motion on flat ground, then it is very similar to the motion that you'll be doing in the air for the back 180. A couple of final suggestions for the back 180. Make sure that you're comfortable riding switch. As long as you can roll up the quarter pipe at your local park and roll back down fakie, that should be enough comfort. You don't need to be great at it, but you are landing switch on the back 180. So make sure you can ride your skateboard switch. Also, I'd suggest learning this trick rolling, not stationary. So that pretty much covers the back 180. Let me know if you have any unaddressed concerns down in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, consider leaving a like on this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the channel next time. Keep shredding. Peace.